Hello, welcome back to the Marc Drouinaud Show, the tech show about hacking. In this video, I'm going to go over Windows commands you cannot live without. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Let's talking about finding a Wi-Fi password. Step 1, press start and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt option shown as a search result and click on Run as Administrator. Step 2, type NETSH WLAN show profile in the command prompt and press enter to show a list of network names that we connect to. Note down the full name of the Wi-Fi network and you want to find the password for. So here the Wi-Fi name is Red MI. Step 3, type net sh WLAN WLAN show profile name equals, and then with quotation marks, Wi-Fi name and quotation marks, key equals clear. Substituting Wi-Fi name for the network name we just made a note of. And then press enter. Step 4, scroll the results until we find an entry named key content. Our Wi-Fi password will be listed next to it. As now we got our Wi-Fi password, you can connect our device to the network to complete our work. So now I'm going to spit rapid fire on so many things that you can do with command prompts that you can't live without. So number 1, how to open a command prompt in any window. Not everyone wants the hassle of navigating around folders in the command line. If you are one of those people like I am, you can open the folder directly in the command prompt by typing CMD in the folder address bar and then hitting enter. There you go. So here's another one, how to create a secure folder with the command prompt. For privacy reasons, you might want to create a folder that cannot be edited, moved, copied, or deleted by any random person that gets access to your computer. To do this, navigate to the directory where you want to create this folder or open the command prompt directly in it with the first tip in this article. Then execute the command md space AUX. This will create a folder name AUX. It cannot be deleted, edited, moved, or copied. If you check and you can't find the folder, refresh the directory in which you created the folder. So what if you want to delete this folder? You can't do that with the GUI. So you need to do it with the command line. Execute the command RD space AUX to delete the folder. Make sure the files in the folder are backed up. Number 3, next we have how to run the command prompt as an administrator. Sometimes you might need administrative privileges when you don't have access to the GUI. To get these, type in PowerShell start CMD space line V run as and hit enter. Select yes in the next prompt and it will open a new window of the command prompt with administrative privileges. Next, how to encrypt files with the command prompt. If you're not the only one who uses your Windows 10 computer and you want your files inaccessible to other users, you can encrypt these files by navigating to the folder where the files are located and typing in cipher/E. And any other user apart from you will be unable to open the files. The next one we have here is how to hide a folder with the command prompt. So what if you want to hide a folder? You can do that by typing in attrib space plus h space plus s space plus r folder underscore name and then hitting enter. To show the folder again, execute the command attrib to show the folder again, execute the command attrib space line H space line S space line R folder underscore name. How to change the background color and font color of the command prompt if the old school black and white colors of the command line look boring to you. You can change them to your desired color scheme. To do this, launch the command prompt and run color space line help. This will show you available colors represented by numbers and alphabets. You can change the background and font colors too. To change the colors properly, run color background underscore color underscore number underscore font underscore color underscore number. For example, color 02 leaves the background color black and changes the font color to green. Next, how to change the title of the command prompt window. The title of an open command prompt window doesn't need to stay as the default. You can change it. To do this, type in title window underscore title underscore name. Number 8, how to change the prompt text of the command prompt. The text that appears before you type your commands might not be attracted for you. For me, it isn't, so I've changed it. To change the prompt text, type in prompt underscore name, $G, and hit enter. The $G in front of the specified prompt name will append the greater than symbol for you so you can know where your command starts. A better UX for you by you. So those are some commands I feel like you can't live without. They're highly useful if you understand how to use them. Do you think that there are better ones that I missed? I want to know your opinion. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I love you. Stay safe. See you on the next video.